Dear ocean, your pure waters and shining shores are truly the most wonderful gifts. But we must apologize. Over the years, we often left our garbage behind in your embrace, polluting your waves and sands. For this, we are deeply sorry and guilty. Today, we left our office and came to meet you. Not as bystanders, but as caretakers. With our hands, we picked up discarded plastic bottles and abandoned fishing nets that were buried beneath the sand. We understand that these actions may seem small, but through our united efforts, we can return a clean beach to you and let life thrive in your embrace once more. Dear ocean, please believe in us. We will make more efforts to protect you. Let us help you regain your beauty and shine once again. With love and gratitude, Kettering.